Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get public transport in Theme Park Tycoon 2. Public transport is a fantastic way to enhance your park, allowing guests to travel quickly between attractions. It's essential for larger parks, ensuring visitors can reach every corner without getting tired. We'll cover everything from choosing the right system to optimizing its performance for maximum guest happiness and park efficiency. When selecting public transport, you have several great options. Monorails are speedy and elevated, perfect for covering long distances and offering guests a bird's-eye view of your park. Trains, on the other hand, boast high capacity, making them ideal for linking major park sections. For more localized travel and flexible routes, buses are a superb choice, easily navigating through your park's pathways. Building your transport system is straightforward. First, navigate to the Rides menu and then select Transport Rides to see your options. Strategic placement of stations is key. Aim for areas with high foot traffic or near major attractions. Remember to connect your stations with clear pathways so guests can easily find and use them. Proper placement can significantly boost your park's flow and guest satisfaction. To optimize your public transport, start by adjusting ticket prices. A small fee can generate income without deterring guests. Keep an eye on guest queues at your stations. Long lines indicate a need for more capacity. You might consider adding extra vehicles to existing lines or even building new stations to handle increased demand. Regular maintenance also ensures smooth operation and happy passengers.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.